Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. We'll be looking at the Dragon Scalper from dragonscalper.com. This EA is marketed as a scalping system for MT4 and MT5 that works on a lower time frame such as M1, M5, M15 and M30. The sales page pushes a lot of big numbers right up front such as 90% accuracy rate, 5% max daily drawdown, starts from about $250. And then I've got screenshots of some pretty large profits in short period. But let's walk through what they actually show and what this means in practice. Before we dive into today's AI, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. From what is visible on the developer page, this isn't a pure black box robot that just runs by itself from the start. It's primarily a signal indicator with a manager panel that can turn into a semi-automatic or fully automatic trading. The core claim is an advanced scalping algorithm that looks for trend direction and draws buy or sell arrows. They lean hard on the idea that trend is your friend. There's also a scanning dashboard that watches around a dozen currency pairs and colors them darker or lighter green for buy side strength, darker or lighter red for sell side, and white when there's no clear trend. When the algorithm decides a trend is strong, they can fire what they call extra signals. Basically, a second entry in the same direction so you can stack positions. As you can see over here. The entry comes from these arrows, exit and handle through the manager with a few options. Fixed take profits, opposite signal, or trailing stop. They also mention a news filter that can pause trading, a maximum spread filter, trading hours control, and percentage based money management. Now they got a lot of marketing features and settings on the page, but however, there is no free demo as it's all paid option. I'll get into that soon. They also highlight the 24/5 support, that's 24 hours, 5 days a week support, the 14-day money back guarantee, and that it only needs one real and one demo license. Installation is going to take under 5 minutes to complete, and they say the first signal should show up quickly. All of that is presented as a plug and play for traders of any experience level. However, here's the most important part. The developer page shows no verified backtests, no public My FX book or similar track record, and no demo account results you can check yourself. What you get are cherry picked screenshots of individual winning trades and equity call from short periods. Numbers like a couple $1,000 here, 4,000 there, 16,000 on M30, and multi-handed pip runs. Those look impressive in isolation, but without multi-year data across different market conditions, that just grabs snapshots of perfect conditions aligning, and we don't always have that in the market. I don't have independent backtests to show on this one either, as there's no demo, like I said before. I have to pay certain amount for the EA, as you can see here. That means we can't do a direct side-by-side comparison of equity calls or hard stats like profit factor, average win versus average loss, maximum drawdown over a meaningful period like we always do. So you can see they have the basic. If we are going through the plans, we have the basic, $95 for 3 months. The regular is a lifetime license, 179. Premium lifetime, 298. And essential for 3 months, 159. Has multiple features for each plan. You can see it's under 5 minutes. In practice, this kind of system tends to do better in clean training sessions and struggles more when the market chops or news hit. A white filter on the dashboard helps a bit by telling you to stay out of unclear conditions, but to what time frame still produce a lot of noise. But like I said, there's no demo for me to backtest, so I can't really give you evidence of whether the claim is false or real. So we have to take the developer's word with a pinch of salt, or maybe probably a lot of salt. So who is this actually for? My suits experienced traders who like to take risks or who have the money to spend to test new EA and see whether it fits their strategy, or scalper experienced traders. Is that suitable for beginners looking for a set and forget passive income, or anyone who needs transparent long-term verified results before risking real money? The lack of public backtests or live track record is a real gap. And that is it, folks. That is the overview based on what's shown on the sales page and typical behavior of this strategy type. Historical performance is never a guarantee of future results, and this one doesn't even give us solid historical numbers to start from. If you have tested Dragon Scalper yourself or have thoughts on it, drop them in the comments so others will learn. Let me know which EA you like reviewed next, and don't forget to grab that free robot from the link in the description if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if this was useful. Trade safe, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.